In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change wallpaper in Windows. So for it, I have downloaded an image. So let me just go to the image. So my image is in my pictures folder. Here you can see I have an image here. Let me just open it. If I just double click here, it will open the image. And here I want to set this as my wallpapers. So for it, I need to click on this three dot option, and here you can see set as lock screen and background. Lock screen means when we open our or start our laptop. So if we just click on this three dot, click on set as and click on background, it will set the image as a background. Or what you can do is that you can just right click here, then you can click here set as desktop background. If I now just click on it, it will be set as a desktop background. If I just minimize this, here you can see I have the image as my background. So this is how you can change the background image in Windows. I hope this was easy for you to follow. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.